These shoes.
Stand by.
Uh-huh.
Get running.
You didn't go all the way around, disqualified.
Good shot. Good shot. But you DQ'd.
Why?
Failed to follow instructions.
You said around Ty's truck.
Yeah, you didn't go around, you went
I
inside.
thought Ty's truck was white. Oh, see, I thought we couldn't go closer.
I'm right below.
That's Beard is still. Don't eat it and break your camera, please.
Break my arm, my camera, and my gun? All right, who's got the timer?
I will.
I got it.
Got him on the video him.
Influencer ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
Who's filming him, sir?
All right, guys, so this is called the return to center drill. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set up 3 targets, one at the obviously center, then 5 yards to the right will be the second target, 5 yards to the left of it will be the third target, and we're gonna use the average Joe torso. So at 5 yards pistol, everything has to be within the perforated area of the circle, within that target box. Also, your loadout's going to be 2 magazines of 10 rounds and 15 rounds, and then you're going to need that 26 round randomly loaded into either or mag, whichever you prefer. If you have a battle buddy, you can always have them switch it up for you, but the initial loadout's going to be 10 rounds and 15 rounds. Again, randomly load up that third or the 26th round. You start off in the center. You're going to draw 5 rounds, hit 5 rounds in the center target. Shooter preference, left or right. Laterally, you'll move to the left or right or whatever. Hit your point of dominance, and then go and engage the target with five rounds. You may or may not have a slide lock reload, conduct a reload, and then move back to center, and then engage the center target 5 rounds, and then you'll move to the other opposite target, engage at 5 rounds, return to center, and then finish the drill with 5 rounds. Does that make sense? Okay, so here's the cool part is there was a snapshot of it at the Average Joe range day we just had. Brandon used a modified version where it was static shooting on one target, and then after they came to center, the far target was shot while moving. Okay, Connell ran the drill and he shot it entirely moving. So obviously it's just gonna, what we're looking for is shot placement. Make sure your shots count, and they're in the vital area. And 2, you're tracking your sights and then pressing that trigger when your sights are on target. If you're using or incorporating movement drills, then the entire torso is now your target area, because it's going to be tough to hit that circle while you're moving. But again, it's still a combat effective hit if you hit somewhere in that torso area. Okay. Also for rifle, if you want to run rifle, it's the same loadout: 2 magazines, 10 and 15 plus 1, and then you can run it at a distance of your choosing. Okay. The target area is still going to be the circle if you're running it static, but if you're moving and shooting, again, you can use the entire torso. Okay. Any questions? No. time is 2956. 2956. Go ahead, check them.
Back and slow, nice.
Solid group. Nice group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5.
That's what, 29?
2956.
No misses?
0 misses. Here it comes.
Holy
Shut up.
27-17.
That should be all right.
That was it?
Yeah, you're done.
You ended with one in the chamber. Yeah, you were the one in the chamber.
Oh, whoops.
You're
Well, the one I threw one, I think.
2901. You threw a bunch over here.
I was all low.
I was watching. I was like, it's Fred.
That's what happened when you go back to the
Yeah.
irons. I don't know. That's my excuse.
That's my excuse. Sticking with the
This is actually my number 1 clean here.
leaving places, but it's actually
Did you break the line? I think you got it. 32-8.
It's a stringer.
Yeah, we'll count that. It's on the line.
nice.
All right, so for the record, if it's touching, it's in.
Okay. It's true. I mean,
32.8.
Am I short on that one?
no.
I think I threw one
Time
here.
is 2822. 2822. Check it. Clean?
Clean.
Clean.
I think that's the one I might have thrown one on. Now we're clean here. I'm clean? Yep. Cool.
Clean run.
So 2822.
Quick feet. Jimmy Quick Feet.
What's the time?
3368.
I forgot you got. I forgot you got to stop
Your
the middle
holds
again.
you're holding like in the neck area, correct? That or your...
It's a new 0, so yeah, I need to hold lower even.
A little high.
A little bit.
Just missed a couple.
That's a DQ.
3557.
I need to pull down a little bit.
Hey, what was the time though?
PJ?
3557. All right, ready, Fred?
Yep.
Stand by. Three one eight eight. All right, 3188.
That Gucci mantle, though.
Oh, you already know. Shout out Mantle. You already know what's up.
That's it.
Look like you're in.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Damn it.
Sound like baby touching it.
No,
No, not even.
not even focused out. Shit.
One out.
This marker sucks. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
PJ, you got timer?
Yeah, I got that. Stand by.
Couple out.
So GQ, how many I have out there?
Clean.
You're one high.
Chris, Bandolier brother.
We ride at dawn.
All right, ready?
You're drunk, PJ. Go home.
All right, ready? Stand by.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Fuck. 3, 4, 6, 2.
One there. All in here, Joe. Back here with Joe. He's gonna give us a quick recap for the drill, and then times, and then what you got to do to enter to win.
All right, so remember 3 targets spaced out 5 yards each. 3 of them start off in the center, and then you start your iterations of 5 rounds each. Slide lock reloads, whatever have you. Moving and shooting, if you're going to do the moving, obviously the whole torso is going to be your target area. For the challenge though itself, we're going to want you to shoot static, and then anything outside the circle is going to be an automatic DQ. So we want to get accurate hits in the vital area, and we really want to stress that. So for the monthly challenge, hit that hashtag, or if you're a boomer like me, #, Average Joe's challenge.
Yep.
So we can see those drills that you guys are doing out there. But again, to count for the for basically our raffle, your submission should be either pistol or rifle. We're minimum of 5 yards for pistol, minimum of 10 yards for rifle, static only at the 3 positions in the circle. And we'll get that for time. Make sure you show your hits, make sure you show a clean target, and then a timer in there somewhere.
Yep. And the targets are available on my website. There'll be a link down below. Thank you again to Joe. So good time. What's a good time they should be aiming for?
So pistol, we're looking at around the 26 to 31 mark for a pretty solid time. Rifle, about the same. We hadn't we don't have a metric for the shooting and moving because, again, we didn't do it that much
Yeah.
today.
So cool. Well, hope you guys give it a shot. Make sure you tag us in it on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram or whatever, shoot us an email or shoot me an email and we'll find a way to get your submission in. But we're looking forward to seeing all you guys' submissions for it again, and we've got some more prizes coming for y'all.
Wait, hang on, man. Let me clean this up. So, are you gonna do a pan of the entire little layout?
You're a pan. Chitlins?
Hey, make sure you don't get that felony in the background.
Yeah, we're good.
What's going on?
Nobody knows what we're talking about. Who cares?
Who cares?
All right, ready?
Wait.
Stand by.
That's bullshit. Don't mess with the deaf guy, okay? That's not funny. No, shit. Just shoot the drill.
What?
The extra, so
Shoot the drill.
shoot the drill. Damn it!
Y'all killing me. I don't know. Shoot the drill. What are y'all
Chamber.
trying to
Hey,
tell
wait,
me?
wait. You don't have one in the chamber, right?
No.
All right, shoot. Break that slide. Shoot the drill.
You guys are killing me. I don't know what y'all talking about.
All right.
What y'all talking
Okay,
about?
hold on, real quick. Before you start, just run it. But before you start, I just need a quick question on camera. Can you reload on the move? Yes or no?
If your range approves that, obviously Triple C is cool with it. We can do it
no,
here
but
safely.
that's not for them. That's for us. Okay, so you can't. Okay, cool.
Talking about your rules for the drill.
Yeah, we're talking about your rules.
You shouldn't have to.
Okay.
Whatever.
You heard it. You shouldn't have to reload on the move. Got it.
I don't know.
Okay, who's
Don't
got timer?
math.
Who's got
All right,
timer?
Whatever.
We're
All
gonna
right.
see the biggest fucking light bulb.
All right, shooter, stand by. Shut up.
Okay, so what happened there, Joe? What happened?
He was assuming that you're gonna put the magazine with the extra.
Oh, he's got a
one in
miss.
the gun
He's got
first.
two
It's
misses.
DQ.
Straight to jail. Right to jail.
DQ.
I can't
That's
count.
what I like about Texas.
So if you want to obviously reload on the move, if your range allows it, I guess you can.
It's not possible with the way the drill set up. Joe, stop saying it.
He's still thinking.
How did that happen? Me and Brandon talked about this.
Because, for instance,
Now you could.
This would that could happen, but the fact is, if I put the extra round in the 15 rounder, right? But I don't put that one in your gun first. I put the 10 rounder in there, so you only have 10 rounds in there. You're not gonna have to deal with that extra rounds to the second magazine. So that's why we're reloading on the
Now,
move. There.
I feel like I understand your
I
intent
need
of the
pictures.
drill.
You guys
What
need
you know,
to draw
listen,
out
listen.
little bullets.
What you
I
need to
can't
do,
explain
if
to
your
you better
intent
than
is
that,
to
boss.
not be able to protect the reload, you need to make the magazines that you start with not a denominator of 5.
Okay, so
and then you add the 1. That way, you're always going to reload in the middle of a string.
Whatever, you're smarter. You have a higher ASVAB. That's cool.
Before y'all go, I'm going to do the new police crawl. I'm going to shoot the wood.
Nice.
Shoot him in the leg.
Fred, with that booty, stand by. Ready?
Yeah, put it like right here. I got my hearing aids turned down.
All right, stand by.
Got that deaf news.
Definitely. First. There we go.
Jeez.
Nope. There we go.
Are we good?
Yeah.
All right, Jimmy, stand by.
Nope. Ain't gonna happen.